Good morning, students. I hope you all are following all the classes. We have already completed a tense, and today we are going to start a voice change, active and passive. Both we are going to do today. So we will be doing voice change today. We are having two types of voice. Actually, we have three types in this case. So they are active, passive, and number 3 is quasi-passive. We have active and passive in our part, so we will be doing these two today. Now, active voice is the way we speak. Simply subject, verb, object. This is the structure of active voice. As for example, if I write, I play football. So here we find I is the subject of the sentence, play is verb, and football is the object. So this subject plus verb plus object, this relation we find in case of active voice. Now, what is passive voice? This is the case of active. And if we change it, means the same sentence will be said in a different manner. That means if we need to make the object, if we can use the object of the active voice as subject, then it will turn into passive voice. Like if we need to turn it into passive, we will be writing football is played by me. Now certain changes we need to understand, that is this object has come here and it works as subject of this particular sentence. Then we are putting is, am, or are, or was, were. As per requirement, I will be explaining along with the as per tense. I will be definitely discussing. The same sentence will be used in different tenses so that you all can understand. So subject, then is, am, are. So simple present, you can see this is simple present. This sentence is written in simple present. So the change in passive form will also be in simple present. And as football has come here, so football is the subject here, is, and the verb play will be in V3 form. That's why it has become played, and then by, and this subject will be used in object form. Okay, I will be me, we will be us, you will remain you only, he will be him, she will be her, they will be them, and in case of names it will remain the same. So this is the structure, means generally basically the structure of active to passive. So what we need to do in case of passive, active sentence, active voice you all know. So we need to concentrate more in passive form. So the first rule is object of the active voice will turn into subject. That means object will come in the place of subject. Then we need to put be verb, is, am, are as per requirement. Then we need to put V3. Then we need to put by, and subject of the active voice in objective form. So I hope you all understood this. Now as per tense we will go. So I will choose the same sentence only, the simple one, the simplest one rather. So that you all can understand it clearly. So let us take the same sentence. I play football. Okay. Now this is simple present. simple present. So if we need to change it into if we need to make it passive, in passive voice, what will it be? That football is played by me. Alright. Now if we have to, if the same sentence is in present continuous, what will the active sentence, active voice be? It will be I am playing football, obviously. Now if we need to change it into passive form, it is present continuous. So if we need to change the same sentence into passive form, what will it be? Football is being played. As we have ing here, so when we will be having ing, we need to introduce being here, because we need to keep play, always it will be in V3 form in case of passive voice. In order to do that, football is being played by me. So why have we introduced being here? Because in our main sentence it was in present continuous form, that's why it was having ing along with it. Now in passive form we need to use V3 or past perfect form. So in order to use this in form, we need to introduce being here. This being is actually helping us to remove this ing from the verb, but it will be carrying it here in the sentence. We cannot just ignore that. So we need to use it in a smarter way. Okay. Now let us change the main sentence into present perfect tense. Okay. Present perfect tense, it will be I have played football. Now here the same thing will take place here. Football. Now football, we generally use have along with I. Okay, first person singular plural, we use have. But here football is, it's not first person, it's third person. So and number is also singular. So football has been. As I told, as per when the object will become subject of the sentence in passive, so the verb will be according to that subject. That means that here it works as an object, but here it is the subject. So football has been played by me. Okay. So here when we will be in case of present perfect, we need to introduce, as we have introduced being here, here we need to introduce being here. Okay. Now this I will not rub the entire portion, because so I will not rub in order to make you understand the simple things. Things are not that much tough, only you need to concentrate. See, the same sentence, simple present becomes simple past just by adding ed here. I played football. Okay. Now here also, so if the verb is played, so obviously it will also be, the be verb will also be in past form. So was, and rest will remain same. Football was played by me. Now here in present continuous, it is in present continuous, but if we need to make it past continuous, only this be verb will be changed. So I was playing football. Okay. So the same thing will here also be, football was being played by me, because here also ing, in case of ing we need to introduce being. These are the things you need to keep in your mind. Now here again in case of present past perfect, it will be I had played football, and here also it will be football had been played by me. I hope you all understood the difference. So we have learned today the structure of both present and past tense in case of passive voice. Now I want all of you to open your worksheet. There you all will get certain works which you need to do today. I will not provide the answers in written form because I want all of you to practice it by your own self. But I will definitely discussing the answers. On the next day you will get all the answers in written form. But today I want you all to make a try. But I will be discussing the answers. So I want all of you to open the worksheet and to do the work. So the first sentence, we will be doing first 10 sentences today, and rest 10 sentences we will do next day. And a little bit left in this chapter, so that will also be done on that day. So the first sentence is, the waiter at the restaurant served hot tea. So here the object is hot tea and waiter is the subject, and at the restaurant it is the place, and it is given in order to confuse us, and served is the verb. So hot tea obviously will come in case of passive at the very beginning. So it will be, hot tea was served at the restaurant by the waiter, or hot tea was served by the waiter at the restaurant. Both are correct. Now number 2. The superstitious villagers readily believed his stories. Now the superstitious, this is adjective, villagers are subject, believed is the verb, and his stories, this is object. So in case of passive, what we need to do is, his stories were readily believed by the superstitious villagers. Now number 3. My mother has forgiven me for my rude behavior. We find two objects here. First one is me, and another one is rude behavior. So this sentence can be done in two ways. Both are correct. So if you consider me as the prime object, the sentence will be changed as, I have been forgiven for my rude behavior by my mother. And if you take rude behavior as the prime object, then it will be, my rude behavior has been forgiven by my mother. Both are correct. Number 4. The noise of the crackers shocked us. So here, when you are shocked at some sight or some all of a sudden you listen to some certain things, then you become shocked at. But when you get shocked, means a certain incident that take place in front of you, in such cases we need to use shocked by. So here, the noise of the crackers shocked us. So it will be, we were shocked by the noise of the crackers. Number 5. Has the school announced the date of the annual function? Change will be, has the date of the annual function been announced by the school? Number 6. My friend conducts classes twice a week. So classes are conducted twice a week by my friend, or classes are conducted by my friend twice a week. Both will go. Number 7. The jury has found the accused innocent of all charges. So the change will be, the accused has been found by the jury innocent of all charges, or the accused has been found innocent of all charges by the jury. This is the best thing, I think. This will be the best one, because here if I write the sentence, like if I write the sentence, the jury has found the accused innocent of all charges. So here the jury is obviously subject, has found, verb, the accused object and innocent of all charges, if we consider as 1, subject as 1, it's 2, it's 3, and this entire part is 4. This entire part can be placed anywhere, okay, in between or at the end as well. So here we can change it as the accused has been found innocent of all charges by the jury. Now number 8. The instructor advised us to practice daily. So we were advised to practice daily by the instructor. Number 9. Lee is or if here also, well, in case of number 8, it says the instructor advised us to practice daily. So who has given the advice? In case of advice and all, it's not mandatory that from whomever you have got the advice is more important. So here by the instructor you can omit also. So we were advised to practice daily. If you write up to this much, then also the sentence is absolutely correct, because advice is more important here. In order to put emphasize over the advice, we can surely omit the subject, that is the instructor. Now number 9. Lee is playing the sitar. Obviously the sitar is being played by Lee because we have present continuous tense here. And number 10. Rukun was washing the dishes when you came. So the dishes, Rukun was washing the dishes when you came. So the dishes were being washed by Rukun when you came, or the dishes were being washed when you came by Rukun. Both will go. So this is the discussion for today. I will once again I want to make you understand that today no separate answers will be provided, because voice change is going to follow you everywhere up to ISC. So I need all of you to practice it by your own self. So please, you can definitely listen to this discussion, but at the end of the class you need to do the work by your own self. Please do that. And once again I want to remind you all, keep your project work along with you. No need to send it to me by any kind of means. Please keep it with you. No need to be so worried. It will definitely reach to me whenever it will be required. So you will definitely be informed. So you need to keep patience. Keep patience and keep on doing your work. This much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.